Welcome to Kids Vision TV. Hello guys, today we are coloring, drawing and painting a beautiful, colorful turtle. Let's start by drawing. Turtle is a reptile. Turtle is a creature living on water and land. Turtle has 4 legs. Let's color it. You can color with me. Red color. I am coloring this turtle with red color. Some turtles are carnivore, some turtles are herbivore, and some are omnivore. Turtle move very slow. Orange color. It's time to color orange color. This is a rainbow turtle. You can color with me. Yellow color. I am coloring its shell with different colors. Hope you like this colorful turtle. Dark pink color. It's time to color dark pink color. Turtle has a long neck. I love to draw very much. Light green color. It's time to color light green color in turtle. Dark green color. I am coloring its face and its leg with dark green color. This turtle looking like a real stick turtle. Sky blue color. It's time to color. Sky blue color. Kids, if you like my videos, then like, subscribe and please share and press the bell icon. Light purple color. This is the last color. You can color with me. Outline again. If you like this video,